the 2009 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, skid plate package, speed control, security system, low tire pressure warning, oil pressure gauge. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.